Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, mark your calendars. 8th of February with Times Now. Well, that's going to be the result day for Delhi Dangal as the Election Commission announced the dates for Delhi elections today. So voting is going to happen on 5th of February. The stage is all set for Delhi elections. The Chief Election Commissioner announced the dates for much anticipated Delhi polls. Voting is going to take place for 70 seats in Delhi in a single phase on 5th of February, and results will be declared on 8th of February. And Times Now, viewers, is going to be your destination to get the fastest updates and the best analysis on Delhi elections. And here's what the Chief Election Commissioner had to say.
It's a single phase election. Date of notification will be 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th.
As dates have been announced, we have now started getting reactions as well from various political parties in the fray. For 70 seats, remember, in this Delhi Dangal, we are seeing three political parties: BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party, and of course the Congress. BJP leaders are confident that on 8th of February, Delhi will vote for a wind of change. Listen in.
हम कॉन्फिडेंट हैं क्योंकि हम दिल्ली की आवाज सुन रहे हैं, हम दिल्ली की नब्ज को पहचान रहे हैं और दिल्ली की जनता इन तारीखों का बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रही थी। 5 फरवरी दिल्ली में बदलाव की तारीख होगी। दिल्ली में चेंज चाहिए, दिल्ली को भ्रष्टाचार से मुक्त करना है और 5 फरवरी को दिल्ली के 1,55,24,858 मतदाता तय करेंगे कि दिल्ली किन के हाथों में जाने वाली है। भ्रष्टाचारियों का सफाया होगा और 5 फरवरी को ये तय हो जाएगा कि आपदा सरकार जा रही है, भाजपा सरकार आ रही है।
हम स्वागत करते हैं चुनाव आयोग का कि जिस तरीके से उन्होंने 5 तारीख को अनाउंस किया है और 8 तारीख को मतगणना होगी और दिल्ली बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रही है कि किस तरीके से आम आदमी पार्टी की भ्रष्ट सरकार दिल्ली से जाएगी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल दिल्ली में खिलेगा और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार निश्चित रूप से बनने जा रही है।
And joining me on the broadcast right now are my colleagues tracking all the three political parties very, very closely. We have Pradeep Datta, Isha, as well as Akanksha live with us. Pradeep, to you first. We just heard what the BJP netas had to say. BJP clearly is confident. In fact, a short while ago, a reaction came in from Union Health Minister and BJP Chief and JP Nadda as well, who in fact spoke about Viksit Delhi. So is this double engine narrative another thing that we are now going to see from the BJP very soon?
See, people are very intelligent. They are keeping things close to their heart, and only the time will tell on February 10th what way the political pendulum is really going to swing and what way the Delhi Dil Ki Dhadkan is going to beat, and that's only will be decided. But so far as the situation on the ground, when we are interacting with the BJP leaders, they are saying it's going to be winds of change, and people are voting this time for change because they are fed up with the Kejriwal's government, because they want a permanent chief minister. They don't want a temporary chief minister. So they want a government who is really going to deliver, because whatever promises were made by Kejriwal, that has not been fulfilled. Because the place where I am standing, everything appears quite good, normal, better. But this is not the real Delhi, because if you move towards the interior of the Delhi, you will find that there is a heap of garbage lying there. People are saying that Kejriwal had promised them London, that he's going to transform Delhi into London. But if you look at the places where even the basic amenities are not being provided to them, not to talk of basic amenities, even they are not getting better air, because Kejriwal was the one who had been talking about clearing air pollution. So the air pollution to that level is that it is almost like Delhi gets converted into gas chamber many a times. So the people are even gasping for the proper air. So in such a situation, BJP feel that this is the right time that they will be voting for the party. On the other hand, the Congress is trying to regain the space, political space that they have lost over the years. Because if you look at the vote share during the last election, it was very low. It was almost about 4%. So this time they are quite confident that they are going to regain that space, that they are what they have lost over the period of time, because they feel that at the end of the day, people have realized that whatever development had been there, it was during the Sheila Dixit's time, it was during the Congress government. So they feel that the Congress will be right choice. But so far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, concerned, they are saying that once again it will be beta Arvind Kejriwal, because they feel that Kejriwal has delivered on certain fronts because he had been able to promise so many freebies, because at the end of the day,
Right.
they say that is really going to work, because 2100 for the women, they have also promised that the healthcare will be provided to the people. But let's see what the BJP says, whether it will be freebies or free seats. The free seats means free of corruption of Kejriwal and free of the Congress. Whether the BJP's free seats is going to work or it is
Right.
the freebies of the Kejriwal government that's really going to work, only time will tell. But right now, all I can say is that Delhi Dangal has already started with the announcement of the election.
Well, absolutely interesting days ahead for the people of the national capital. Pradeep, request you to stay on with us. Meanwhile, viewers, the Aam Aadmi Party is very confident that people of Delhi will bring back Arvind Kejriwal as the next Chief Minister of Delhi. Listen in.
दिल्ली के लोग लंबे समय से इस तारीख का इंतजार कर रहे थे और हमें भरोसा है कि दिल्ली के लोग मिल करके फिर से दिल्ली में काम करने वाली अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार बनाएंगे। आम आदमी पार्टी ने चुनाव के लिए पूरी तैयारियां पहले से ही तेज कर दी थी। आज इलेक्शन की तारीख घोषित होने के बाद पार्टी अपने कैंपेन को और तेजी के साथ अगले चरण में ले जाएगी। पार्टी के 70 उम्मीदवार घोषित हो चुके हैं।
ये आम आदमी पार्टी हमेशा जनता के बीच में रहती है, जनता के काम करती है, इसलिए हम चुनाव में पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं। उम्मीद है कि जैसे सीईसी ने अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बताया, तो परवेश वर्मा जो खुलेआम काला धन बांटते हुए देखे गए थे और स्वीकार कर रहे थे, उन पे कार्रवाई होगी ताकि फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस हो जाएं। याचिकाएं डाली है, जो भी हमने कंप्लेंट्स, लेजिटिमेट कंप्लेंट्स उठाई हैं, उस पर इलेक्शन कमीशन डेफिनेटली जल्द कार्रवाई करेगा, फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस इंश्योर करेगा। और साथ ही क्योंकि अब तो 5 तारीख शादी की डेट भी अनाउंस हो गई, तो भाजपा भी बता दे कि उनकी तरफ से दूल्हा कौन है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Isha for more on this, on what is happening as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. We just got you some reactions. Now, Isha, we got a reaction from Arvind Kejriwal as well, who said that, this election is going to be between the politics of work, talking about Aam Aadmi Party, and politics of abuses without naming the BJP. Many say it is for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And also another narrative, I believe, that we are likely to see is Kejriwal versus who? Because BJP still hasn't declared its CM face for the Delhi elections.
Right, yes. Even when we were speaking to the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson Priyanka Kakkar, the thing that she also did talk about was the fact that now the election dates have been announced, but the BJP still does not have a chief ministerial face in the national capital. And she also did say that this particularly means that the BJP is not very confident of their victory. However, we did hear from BJP leaders, they are stating that they are confident they will be emerging victorious. But again, the question that again comes to the fore, Hina, is that why is there no CM face? Because why is there no CM face when you are fighting against Arvind Kejriwal, who has been elected twice, who is an extremely popular leader in the national capital, who has the support of the public? So definitely that is something that the BJP needs to think through. But speaking about the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal had previously also taken a wielded dig at the Prime Minister when he was inaugurating the RRTS corridor. Arvind Kejriwal had said that out of the 35 minutes of Prime Minister's speech, all the 29 minutes, out of that time, 29 minutes, the Prime Minister spent only speaking about how Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party is a problem. So there is a lot of back and forth definitely happening, but the Aam Aadmi Party raising the fact that the BJP does not have a CM face, but they are seeming extremely confident is what we're picking up from on the ground.
Right. Isha, stay on with us. In fact, viewers, in a direct fight against Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, the Bharatiya Janata Party has fielded Parvesh Verma from the New Delhi seat. The entry of Parvesh Verma, who has been accused by the Aam Aadmi Party of distributing money to voters, sets up a mouth-watering contest for the high-profile New Delhi constituency. The Congress, on the other hand, has fielded Sandeep Dixit, son of former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dixit, from the New Delhi seat. Now, let's turn our attention to Kalkaji seat. That's another very interesting battle. Aam Aadmi Party has fielded Delhi Chief Minister Atishi from there. In response, the BJP has veteran leader Ramesh Biduri. And Congress has put their faith in Alka Lamba, who, remember, earlier was a leader from the Aam Aadmi Party.
देखिए, किसी भी राजनीतिक दल और उम्मीदवार से मुझे लगता है पहले दिल्ली तैयार बैठी है। जितना बेसब्री से किसी राजनीतिक दल और उम्मीदवार को इंतजार रहता है, उससे ज्यादा बेसब्री से इंतजार दिल्ली के लोगों का है, क्योंकि दिल्ली के लोग बस एक बदलाव का इंतजार कर रहे थे जो इन तारीखों की घोषणा के साथ शुरू होने जा रहा है। एक विकल्प तलाश रहे थे दोबारा से, वो विकल्प पहले से ही कांग्रेस थी और उसे वापस मुझे लगता है जो एंटी इनकम्बेंसी एक विरुद्ध लहर चल रही है सत्ता के खिलाफ, चाहे वो सत्ता बीजेपी की केंद्र में हो, आम आदमी की दिल्ली में हो, उनके खिलाफ एक विरुद्ध लहर चल रही है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Akanksha, who's also live with us right now. Akanksha, from the Aam Aadmi Party, the narrative clearly seems to be again Kejriwal versus who. They're targeting the Bharatiya Janata Party for not declaring the CM face. And any reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this particular aspect?
As far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have definitely said that this time it is Arvind Kejriwal versus who. Now, Bharatiya Janata Party is yet to reveal the name of their chief minister candidate. It remains to be seen who, in fact, it will be. Till now, no reaction has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this, but this has been the main focus of the Aam Aadmi Party to, in fact, take on both the Congress Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party in the national capital just ahead of the elections. They are saying that both the parties do not have any CM face. They have not worked for the people. On the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party has worked for the people in the last 10 years.
Right.
They have given free electricity and water to the people. So
Right.
this is what the Aam Aadmi Party is.
Right. Akanksha, thank you for the moment for joining us. We'll come back to you for more on this. Thank you, Pradeep, as well as Isha as well. Heading into another very, very short break. More on this on the other side. Don't go anywhere.